So we're told figure A is a scale copy of figure B. This is figure A, this is figure B. And what I want you to do is, given what we're just told, try to figure out what x would be equal to. Pause this video and have a go. All right, now let's do this together. Now, given that these are scale copies of each other, that means the ratio of corresponding sides would be the same, or any feature, say distances between points, would be the same. So for example, the distance between this point and this point, which is 18.5, the ratio of that to this side of length 10, would be the same as the ratio of this distance, of the distance of length x, to 6. So let's just write that out. We could write 18.5 is to 10 as x is to 6. There's other ways that we could have set that up. We could have said that the ratio of x to 18.5 is equal to the ratio of 6 to 10. Any of these would have set us up, and there's actually other ways we could have done it as well. So we could just pick these and pick one of them and solve. So let's do it with, well, this one's actually pretty straightforward. We just have to multiply both sides by 6. So we get 6 times 18.5 over 10 is equal to x. And let's see if we can do 6 times 18 is 60 plus 48, 108. And then plus 3. Am I doing that? Let me just actually multiply it out. Let me not do it all in my head. 18.5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 3 is 51. 1 times 6 is 6. Plus 5 is 100 is equal to 11. And then we have one number behind the decimal, so it's equal to 111 over 10, or another way of thinking about it is 11.1 is equal to x, or x is equal to 11.1 in this scenario.